So I think because you've definitely got it, you can carry it, because we're not sure how people are going to feel. I think some people might get really nervous when they get in, suddenly they want me to come in a lot more than they thought.
I might then come to it.
Well, then just look at me. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll start you off, I'll hand over to you.
Okay.
I'll come over to you and go, yeah, that's great, you got it. And then I will stand back,
Okay.
so it's you. And then if you feel like you don't have it, your voice goes, and just look behind you and I'll come together. And so, and then we'll see if there's somewhere else sort of natural to come in or something.
Sounds great.
I think
Sounds
it's fantastic. Do you feel
fantastic.
comfortable? Can you hear yourself well?
Yeah. I can hear it now.
So that's great. Okay, I think it sounds absolutely lovely.
Thank you. I've sung it once or twice. I forgot the email.
Sometimes say, isn't it? She's driving you mad and you want a divorce now.
Absolutely.
I feel almost like my anal stuff. Okay, so you feel comfy. I think let's start again so you can be more comfortable. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, so then you will feel like if I move back, you don't. So it's the exact same thing again. When we do this, I'll be like in here.
Who'd have thought this is how the beast is filled? You and I should have
trick, like most people they make a mistake putting them up, or it's like straight on, but you just go down and it's the steering sway. Most people go steering, and then yeah. So any of those notes that feel a bit higher, they may get you.
Yeah.
Then just lean in. So when I set you up, I'll make sure you're going to have these shoes.
I'll have flat shoes.
Okay, they're going to be this tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll make sure that if you come onto the microphone now, I think it's lovely, the harmony at the end. You sort of do exactly the same thing. So do you feel comfortable? Do you hear yourself?
Yeah.
Do you feel happy?
Yeah.
Right, we will do it again.
Okay.
And then you'll be, I mean, it sounds absolutely lovely.